Once upon a time, in the wide sunlit Pride Lands, there lived a young lion king named Simba. Simba was brave, wise, and loved by all the animals in the kingdom. His golden mane shone like the sun, and his roar echoed across the land, reminding everyone of his courage. But Simba wasn't just a king. He was also a loving father to his playful cub, Kiara, who was always curious about the world. One day, while Kiara and her best friend Kovu were exploring near a sparkling river, Kiara spotted something unusual. Hidden among the rocks was a small shimmering stone that sparkled like the stars. "Look at this," Kiara said, picking it up with her paw. "It's beautiful," Kovu agreed. "I wonder where it came from." Excited by their discovery, the two cubs raced back to Pride Rock to show Simba. When Simba saw the stone, his eyes widened. "This isn't an ordinary stone," he said. "It's a shimmering stone said to hold a powerful secret. It hasn't been seen in the Pride Lands for generations." Gathering the pride around him, Simba told the story of the shimmering stone. "Long ago, when my father Mufasa was king, the shimmering stone was said to bring light and hope to the Pride Lands. But one day it was lost, and darkness threatened the land. The only way to unlock its power is to return it to the heart of the Savanna, a hidden place that only the bravest can find." Kiara's eyes sparkled with excitement. "Can we take it back, Papa? Can we bring the light back to the Pride Lands?" Simba hesitated. The journey to the heart of the Savanna was dangerous, filled with rocky cliffs, wild rivers, and shadowy forests. But seeing the determination in Kiara's eyes, he nodded. "If we go together, we can do it." Simba, Kiara, and Kovu set off at dawn. Along the way, they faced many challenges. First, they crossed a fast-flowing river. Kiara was nervous, but Simba encouraged her. "One step at a time, just like crossing a log," he said. With Simba's guidance, Kiara made it safely to the other side. Next, they climbed a steep cliff. Rocks tumbled beneath their paws, but Kovu showed his strength by helping Kiara when she slipped. "I've got you," he said, pulling her to safety. Finally, they entered the shadowy forest. Strange noises filled the air, and glowing eyes peeked out from the darkness. "Stay close," Simba said, his voice calm and strong. His presence made them feel safe, even in the eerie shadows. After a long journey, the trio reached the heart of the Savanna, a hidden valley filled with golden grass and a glowing pool of water. In the center of the pool was a stone pedestal, waiting for the shimmering stone. Kiara carefully placed the stone on the pedestal. For a moment, nothing happened. Then the ground began to rumble, and beams of light shot into the sky. The whole valley sparkled as the light spread, chasing away the shadows and filling the Pride Lands with warmth and hope. When Simba, Kiara, and Kovu returned to Pride Rock, the animals cheered and roared in celebration. The shimmering stone's power had been restored, and the Pride Lands were more beautiful than ever. Simba smiled at Kiara. "You were brave, my little cub. You helped bring light back to our home." Kiara beamed with pride. "I couldn't have done it without you and Kovu." From that day on, the shimmering stone became a symbol of courage, teamwork, and hope. And whenever the animals of the Pride Lands looked up at Pride Rock, they knew their king, Simba, was not only a great leader, but also a loving father who believed in the power of his pride. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more stories like this.